guys, I'm Nadi.
And I'm Nani.
And today we're going to do a DIY dollar store costume challenge.
Alright. This isn't so bad. Look, let's start from right
Not
here.
so bad. What are you going to do with that?
Brujeria.
Like the Day of the Dead?
Do you know what brujeria is?
Can I could just tape this to my face and I can be, I don't know what she is.
What if I spray painted this red?
You could.
But they don't sell spray paint at the dollar store.
I could hang ornaments on myself and I could be a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree.
Oh, there's stuff over here.
I know what I want to be. I want to be a Ninja Turtle. And I know how I'm going to do it.
Oh, look. I could get a mask and then make it like a dress thing.
Oh, it's a ninja mask.
I could be like a masquerade girl. Is the pink or the red better?
How about a dragon?
I could do this.
I would be a ninja. No, a dragon.
I love how I go for all the girly things and you have gone for all the boy things.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. I could be a ladybug.
That's cute, but ladybugs don't wear masks.
I know, but I could be an adult ladybug.
Come at me. So far, I think I'm gonna go for a Mexican Day of the Dead.
What am I gonna do? Oh, I could be a clown.
All right, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is use the mask, and then I'm going to use tablecloths to make like a dress. Let's check out what Nani is doing. What are you going? What is that?
A unicorn. It's a unicorn.
Oh.
Unicorn.
What is gonna be your horn as a unicorn?
I'm looking for that currently.
You could get a wand, and we could glue it to your head. What is that?
Wait, no. I can be a Ninja Turtle. This can be my shell. Right? Right? Huh?
Why don't you can roll this up and make a unicorn horn.
I can roll. You think that this is rollable?
They don't got no like stuff I could bedazzle this with.
Look. They have a headband. I'm going for the ladybug, guys. I'm gonna buy a black tablecloth and just wrap it around me. Call it a day.
How much did you spend?
Like $3.
30 bucks.
I said 3.
Oh, $3?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I only got 3 things for my costume. And then I spent like 5 because I got gum and M&Ms.
I would have only spent $5, but then I saw these lovely flowers, and then I thought I could add flowers, so it was $7.
You have a better costume than me.
Well, I haven't made a dress yet, so we don't know that.
So guys, welcome back. I got some ladybug wings, got some ladybug ears, and I got this just to see if it could be like a cute skirt or maybe like a shirt. I don't really know yet. And then I bought gems, so I spent $4.
$4.
$4. I spent $4, so I lied. I got some gems for my face, and then I have M&Ms and gum. Not for the costume.
I got 3 tablecloths. I probably did not need 3, but I just want to make sure. What if yours gets a hole in it? What are you gonna do? And I got a mask.
Ours is gonna be so much cuter.
We don't know that
so
yet.
much better.
We got flowers to add to the dress, hopefully. And some gems. I found the gems first.
Yeah, she did.
Alright, let's get started. I guess we should do top first. Maybe my top should be
Why can't you
black.
just use your top?
Because that's kind of like cheating. We have to make a whole costume. Can you tape it onto me? Like,
Yeah.
how am I gonna tape this on myself? Oh, I could
Why don't you
tie
cut
it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it, but I could tie it.
I get to use my imagination, and I've never ever done something like this.
Everyone's gonna go out and buy these
My little
costumes.
brother texted me and asked me if he can watch it when we're done.
Aww, he's so cute. Can you like hurry up the scissors? Got a tail.
I should have tied it like in a pretty bow in the front.
That's a little ambitious.
But that would have been so cute. It's a really long skirt,
Cut
guys.
this. See, and that's kind of like a design back there, you know? Tape it in the inside, don't make it look ratchet.
Okay.
Now I need a dress or a skirt thingy.
How bad does this look?
It doesn't look bad at all, actually.
It doesn't?
No, I like it.
Yo, can you hand me that, Nani?
What?
My gems. Thanks. Oh my god, wait, hers is so cute.
Right? I think this is coming together quite nicely.
Good thing that, is there winners in this? Is there a winner? No, there's no winners, right? Good thing.
This is just giving
Great.
people ideas. But we all know who won.
Guys, I'm so mad about my sleeves. Yo, I might use that.
I told you, you can definitely use it.
And cut
It's
it
just
and,
your
like, use it.
costume is now going to be valued at $5.
How much did you spend on
And
yours?
mine would be $6 if you
Oh,
take
so
that.
I still spent less.
Yeah,
Either
okay,
way.
but at least it's not 4 and 7.
Are you done?
I think I am.
Oh, no, I'm not almost done. Here, you want to help me put on my ladybug dots?
Not really, but if I don't have a choice.
Oh my god, someone's outside. Hey, I'm deciding if I want sleeves.
Girl, you done. Let's go.
This wasn't even supposed to be timed.
Rate our outfits. I am Mexican Day of the Dead girl.
Leave a rate in the comments, 1 to 10.
Alright. How do you think our DIY costume came out?
Mine was $4.
Mine was, technically I spent $7, but it was more like $6 because I didn't use the other tablecloth.
She spent 7. I like hers. I would do that. I would.
Would you actually wear this?
Yeah.
Like if you were going to a party?
No.
Costume party?
No, I would wear it trick-or-treating.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.